Hi, so today I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT and Canva to bulk create content. So in ChatGPT, you can generate, 30 days worth of social media posts, and you can actually integrate Canva to that. So, you can bulk create the graphics, the templates. You don't have to do it one by one. All right, so if you are using a paid ChatGPT account, you can download a Chrome extension. It's called AI PRM. You can just type it in Google, and then this is what you're going to see. So on your end, it will say add to Chrome right here. Then once you click on that, it will automatically download to your computer. And then once you go to ChatGPT, there will be a prompt for you to connect the two. What AI PRM does is it will give you prompt templates, right? Because we know with ChatGPT, our output is only as good as our input. So, having these prompt templates make it so much easier for us to use this AI tool. Right. So for today, couple options here. Once you click on new chat, you can actually get look for social media. So this one is what I'm usually using. It's 30-day social media posts with image suggestions. So once you click on this, it will ask for, information about your business. The more information, the more specific information you provide, the better the output is. So you can just give information about your business. Let me use Red Barn Home Team. Is an all female. Okay. Right. So there, if you have more information, just go ahead and type it in the prompt. Right. So click on that. In just a few seconds, you'll be able to generate at least 30 posts that you can use on your social. Right. So here we have the idea, the content idea, and then we have a suggested image. So makes it so much easier for us to, generate content for social media. All right. So once you're done with this, you can just, click continue generating or stop. So if you're fine with this is what you're going to actually copy and put in a Google spreadsheet. However, for this, I want to use social media posts. So, usually we post social media quotes, inspirational, motivational quotes every Monday. And so we'll take that as an example. I will do another chat. So new chat. And then from here, you can search for quotes. All right, social media quote. Right, where you can also, just put in chat, let's see, give me 10 inspirational quotes for about, it can be anything about determination, success, really matter. It really depends on what you'd like to post. So for this, let's do that. Okay, so we have 10 inspirational quotes. We'll have content for 10 Mondays, right? Once you're good with this, next thing is you have to copy this. So just click on the copy button right here and move it to a spreadsheet. Okay, so just paste. All right. Now we need to do a little clean up here. Remove all those unnecessary texts or words, so that we only retain the actual code and then the attribution. All right, so for this, I'm gonna remove this. Okay, then I'm gonna add like a row where we can actually put the label. So quotes, quote, and then attribution. Okay, so here you have to manually move this. Okay. Yeah, and then we'll, remove these extra symbols so it doesn't get to, transfer to Canva once we put this into the template. All right. Okay. All right. So I think this is good. You have to download it as let's put a title, social media quotes. Now, you have to download this as a CSV. So just click on file and then download as a CSV. Next step is for you to go to Canva. Now the fun begins. This is where we're going to create a graphic. So choose a template. So create a design. And since we want to post this on social media, we can actually use the Instagram post square. So that will work well with Facebook and Instagram. So click on that. Okay, so from here, you can start looking for design, right? And then later you can just change each template. So if you have an existing template, then that's better. This one will be so much easier for you. So let's do this. Take this one. All right. And from here, look for bulk create. So you have the bulk create right here. And then you want to choose upload CSV. Okay, and then you have to search for the one that you saved. All right, so here, okay, 2 data fields identified. Okay, so now you have to match this. So the code will be here. This one will be the code. Okay. So you have to right click, and then from here, you have to right click the element or the content in your graphic, and then you have to connect it to the data here. So code and attribution. So right click, and then here connect data, code. Okay, and then where you want the attribution. So I think we have to put an extra text. Okay, let's make it bigger and then move it to where we want that attribution. So it can be like this. You have to make sure that there's enough space for you right here so that even though the code or the text is long, you have enough space for that, right? Okay, this is something that you can edit beforehand, right? Okay, so go back to bulk create. I lost the data, so we'll have to do it manually again. Okay, right, so here, this, right click on this, and you want to connect this data and then go to attribution. Right, so once you basically match those data, click on continue. Right, okay, so you have, sorry, you have all the codes right here. Okay, and then click on generate 10 pages. Okay, so all the texts are automatically populated here. So all you need to do is just move the text around, right? And then you have to change the background. So make sure you can just move this, right? Change the font so you have enough space. Okay, so you see you have the text, you have the code populated here, and then the attribution right here. Okay, and then the next step for you is, just work on the spacing, position of each text. You can actually look for a new background. So this one is, you can look for photos and then use that as the background. See, so basic for some, right? It's all there. You just have to work on the details.